Have you ever wondered how many stars exist in the universe? The number is truly unbelievable. Scientists estimate it to be between 10 sextillion and 1 septillion. In our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are approximately 100 to 400 billion stars. And across the entire universe, there are hundreds of billions of galaxies. When you multiply these numbers, you get more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And this is only the observable universe. Beyond it, there may be even more stars.